It's been 2 years, man. It's been 2 damn long years, and we're still here. We're still here, baby. It's been 2 years now that I started investing in the stock market, showing you guys my progress ever since the beginning. Let's go back into the past here real quick. So this is the first video that I ever posted about investing with Robinhood. That's where it all started. And it's been an incredible journey, guys. 2 years, so many things happened. In the first year, it was really slow. I made a lot of mistakes. I'm still making mistakes now, but in the first year, I was only investing such a small amount every single week, every single month. But now, 2 years later, more confident. I know what I'm doing, most of the time at least. And we are finally at a $100,000 portfolio still, even though the market has tanked over the last few weeks. I'm still investing roughly $1,000 every single week, and my portfolio is sitting at $100,000. But this portfolio value is only superficial, I believe. What is the most important to me is my annual income for right now. So annual income, we're sitting at $3,235. Here is my monthly breakdown of all the income that I'll be receiving from my dividend portfolio. September was a pretty big month, $350 worth of dividends. In October, it's not going to be that big. My weakest month of dividends is going to be in January, and my best month is going to be December, which I'll see about $400 or so in dividends. So what I like about this website that I'm using, Simply Safe Dividends, it tracks everything, every single dividend that comes in, dividend increases, dividend decreases, everything is tracked. And I'm using a lot of different tools. Links are going to be in the description if you guys want to find out some of the great and useful tools that helped me along the way in the last 2 years. And as I get more knowledge, find more things to share with you guys, I'll be giving you guys every little detail and every single tip that I know and I find out. So links are going to be in the description if you guys want to see my portfolio, if you guys want to join my membership, if you guys want to get some free stocks with Webull, with Robinhood, with M1 Finance, everything's going to be down there, so just go check it out down there.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is...
All right, that's enough. That was a little bit cringy, but I still do have the same mission that I had when I first started this Robinhood challenge. Make as much money as possible through trading penny stocks and day trading options. No, that's not what I was trying to do. But I do want to make some money with my investment in the stock market. But on top of that, what is most important is all of this experience that I've gained over the years, and as I'm developing them over time, I'm sharing that with you guys so you guys can learn from my past mistakes. That is the most important part to me. You know, I'm not the best investor out there. There's a lot of other great investors on YouTube, which, you know, I'm not going to name them. I'm not going to drop any names, but you guys know who you are. So I always get asked a lot about how did I first start investing? How did I do it? It's like, you guys see the progress that I have now, which, you know, $100,000 invested in the stock market. And, you know, this is where it all began. $100 into my Robinhood portfolio. At this time, I also had a Roth IRA that was funded maybe like $1,000 or so dollars. So, and these were the stocks that I own. I only still, from this screenshot, I only have AT&T still. Everything else I sold off. And I know a lot of you guys that started following my channel over the last month or so probably are down because the market is down as well. And just looking at the S&P 500 here, if you guys invested before September, basically throughout all of September, you guys are probably down on your investments. And I feel for you. I'm also buying when the market's up. I'm also buying when the markets are down. If we take a look at year to date, the S&P 500 basically wiped out all of its gains. So in the first day of the year, it was 3,250. And today, it's roughly the same price, 3,246. So it's a little bit less than what the price was at the beginning of the year. Anybody that's been investing during this time period of March 23rd, you guys are probably still really confident in your investments. If you guys especially if you guys bought a lot. For me, I bought a medium amount since I'm always buying every single Monday. Monday is the day where I purchase all of my stocks. I'm buying on Robinhood. I'm buying on M1 Finance. We can jump into that real quick. So 2 years later on my Robinhood portfolio is sitting at $47,000. I have a bunch of different brokerages accounts, and that's another question that I always get asked as well. Why do I have so many accounts? What I realized over the last 2 years is as long as I'm investing into my accounts, things are going to be absolutely fine. If there's a random account that you have that you never put any money into and is not growing, then probably that's the account that you want to just sell it all and put it into an account that you're actually working on. In my opinion, that would probably be the best if everybody just had one account, but there are different types of accounts out there that you can use to your advantage. Tax advantage accounts like Roth IRAs, which I have a lot of videos about Roth IRAs and how it's great to have them. Me personally, I haven't even maxed out my Roth IRA yet. I'm going to do it very soon, probably within the next 2 months. And one last thing I want to say about all these brokerages is that they're basically all the same now. They're all commission free, easy to use. You can just use them straight off. You can just buy stock straight off your phone. You don't even have to go onto a website or onto a computer to do it. And that is just technology at its finest right there. So that leads me to the next topic here, which is tech stocks. Me personally, I'm not that heavy into tech stocks. If we take a look at my diversification here, I'm more heavily into the consumer discretionary. And when it comes to tech stocks, I'm about just over 10% in tech stock, 13%. And these are all the tech companies that I own. Up at the top here, we got Apple, Square, more Apple, Microsoft, Intel, and a lot of these are in my M1 Finance portfolio, which I'm going to be showing you right now. So on M1 Finance, this is something that I opened up after the Robinhood challenge, which is like 1 year after. So this has came a pretty long way as well. And I have nothing bad to say about M1 Finance. It's great. I actually like M1 Finance more than Robinhood. So on M1 Finance, we're sitting at just under $31,000 still. I'm actually up on the day. Thank you to the stock market gods out there. And the tech sector has been on complete fire over the last few months. So it is kind of due for a correction right now. A lot of the tech stocks that I own over the last month has been down. So if we take a look at the 1 month change, I'm down almost 7% on the tech sector of my pie here. And I'm cool with that because I'm probably still roughly up. If we take a look at the all-time here, I'm up a decent amount still when it comes to my entire portfolio, for the tech sector at least. But you can't expect a company to just go up indefinitely. That is, Amazon is kind of like that, but even they have their corrections as well, 10% down, even 50% down at one time. So basically what I'm trying to say is I feel it too. Sometimes I do want to panic sell when I see like the markets are going down 10% or 5% or something like that. I do feel the pain when the stock markets are red every single day for the last week. That's why I probably haven't been posting for a while, just because of how badly the stock market has been doing. But, here I am. I'm still standing. A lot of people didn't expect me to still be here after 2 years, but, I'm still here. So my plan for the next few months is just to continue to do what I've been doing for the last 2 years. Save up some money to invest every single week. I'm going to be putting into my Roth IRA. I'm going to be putting into my Robinhood, my M1 Finance account. And that is how I plan on doing it for the next 10, 20 years or so. There's going to be a lot of new series that I want to make for the next few years. At the end of this year, I'm planning to go on a trip to Southeast Asia. I'm hoping this COVID situation gets cleaned up sooner than later, so there's going to be a lot more flights, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to travel. But I'm going to be making a series where a lot of Americans can live in different parts of the world, specifically Southeast Asia. And I'll come up with a video later to describe everything that's going on. But basically, that's what I've been planning to do for a while. And I've just been slacking on it. But definitely, I'm going to bring that to you as soon as possible. So if you guys want to watch more videos from me about my dividend investing or real estate investing, go check out my older videos here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification. Follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily about my personal life. And follow me on my second channel where I'll be uploading a lot more frequently. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me on this journey for the last 2 years. And I'm hoping to be here next year as well to give you guys another great update. And check you guys out later. Bye.
Bye.